Acumatica Cloud ERP, Process Improvements for Engineering. Acumatica has now released a few new features in the Bill of Material module to help engineers reduce the number of keystrokes, which leads to increased throughput. For engineering change control, we now have the ability to merge multiple engineering change requests into a single engineering change order. This allows users to create the engineering change orders with minimal keystrokes when multiple engineering change requests exist for the same item. With the new BOM compare form, we can compare two different bill of material records. This feature is useful when creating or approving engineering change requests and engineering change orders. It's also useful when you just want to compare the bill of material between two different items. The multi-level BOM report now includes the option to print the multi-level bill of material with the cost of each level broken out by cost element. With the new multi-level BOM form, we can see a visual representation of a multi-level bill of material on a single screen. To demonstrate this new functionality, I'm going to start on the engineering homepage. On this new homepage, I can see information about engineering change requests, engineering change orders, and item cost. As the engineering manager, I see that I have two engineering change requests that need to be approved. I notice that they are both for the same item, a custom pipe cover. If I click on the engineering change request, then it drills down to the change request screen, and I can view the request. Notice that on this screen, your eyes are immediately drawn to the change that is highlighted in bold text. For this example, I want to compare two engineering change requests so that I can approve them. I click on Actions, Compare BOM. From here, I can choose to compare an engineering change request against another engineering change request. I can compare it against the current bill of material, or I can compare it to an engineering change order. In this case, I'm going to compare it to another engineering change request for the same item. With the use of color coding, I can see the difference between the two engineering change requests. Items in green means that there was no change. Items in red means that something was added that did not exist on the prior bill. And items in yellow means that there has been a change. If I click on the black die, I can see that there has been a quantity change that will affect cost. If I look at the tools section of the bill of material, I can see that there have been changes to the voltage meter and that we have added a soldering iron. Now that I have reviewed the changes in the engineering change request, I have decided to approve them. I'm going to go to the approval screen and approve them all at once. Next, I want to convert and merge the two engineering change requests into a single engineering change order. I navigate to the Create Engineering Change Order screen and select my two engineering change requests. By selecting Merge Engineering Change Request, it will merge the engineering change request into a single engineering change order. If I navigate to the engineering change request, I can see the engineering change order that is linked to this request. Next, let's take a look at some of the tools that we have added for viewing bills of materials. On the multi-level BOM report, I now have the option to run this for an engineering bill or a costed bill of material. I'm going to select the Keurig as an example. When I click on Costed, I now see the bill of material for the Keurig with cost displayed for each level of the bill of material. On the new visual BOM screen, I will select the Keurig once again, and I can see the bill of material represented on the left-hand side of the screen in a tree view. Notice that as I click down the tree on the left, the right-hand side of the screen changes depending on the level of the bill of material that I click on. Thank you for joining me today for this overview demonstration on the process improvements for engineering in Acumatica Cloud ERP. For more information about Acumatica, contact an Acumatica reseller or view documentation on help.acumatica.com.